Years ago, the secret of meditation and its marvelous effects were known to a select few. Now it's our turn to know what is meditation and learn how it improves our life. Meditation may be the most important step that we can take to sculpture our lives out of living an ordinary life. Meditation is also an effortless change that occurs quickly and is a simple, innocent practice that delivers benefits which are untold in all the areas of our life. Meditation is a personal practice of quieting your mind. In meditation, our mind focuses on the present moment. Relaxing the muscles of our body can help us listen to every inhale and exhale. Instead of mulling over the past or future, let's focus on the present moment. We can change everything about our external environment. We can move to a different city, change the job, or dress more professionally. But if we cannot change the way we think, our fundamental view about the world, the chances of our maintaining a well-lived life for long are slim. Let's start with our attitude. The types of thought we process daily or even hourly. It is equally difficult to be our ultimate best when we are already burdened with excess body weight. It's not unusual to turn to foods when stressed. Our body craves for those health punishing foods, which can be the craving for those chips, sugary candy bar, or french fries. Headaches are the most visible signals that our body is undergoing stress, and it is hard to focus on what is important when headaches are hovering over our thoughts. It's not only difficult to concentrate but also difficult to make decisions and nearly impossible to enjoy ourselves. Imagine in a matter of weeks, through only 20 to 30 minutes of meditation, we can not only improve our working memory and power of concentration but also have more control over our emotions. A 5-minute session is an awesome goal and really simple to set alarm on your phone of 5 minutes or whatever time you expect to be meditating. The beauty of setting the alarm is that you don't have to see the clock periodically just to find how much time is left. Whatever time you can fit for meditation in your day is your golden time. Don't make the when of meditation become an excuse. Breath is gift of life, and through meditation you become aware. In order to concentrate successfully, you need to keep your focus on an object or item at a time. As soon as you realize that your thoughts are not intended to that object, then you must gently bring them back. Irrelevant thoughts or sensations that take you away from the session goal, you need to ignore them. By reducing stress, you can definitely believe that it's going to boost your power of concentration. Meditation is more than becoming spiritual enlightened. It has proven value if we need to improve our work skills or study habits or try to make most of our time. It gives you vital health for the action that lies ahead of you, peace of mind, confidence to achieve your goals, and realizing your dream. Sooner you start, the more benefits you reap from meditation. I am linking a 21 Days of Abundance program by Deepak Chopra in the description. go ahead and get abundant. If you like this video, make sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.